Hello there, this is Flow Strategic AI. Most businesses massively underutilize their best content assets. One valuable video should not create one piece of content, it should create an entire attention ecosystem. So, the biggest leverage creators are now doing is no longer thinking like content creators. They think like media infrastructure operators. One input, multiple outputs, continuous distribution. The full system breakdown of this automation is this. We have two scenarios. One is for getting the video and the LinkedIn posts are gotten from that video, and then it is sent to this other scenario. Here it just reads the posts and posts it directly to LinkedIn, and then updates the database, which is our Google Sheets. So that is the two scenarios which we are going to run. Now this is the video in this tab, this one here, which I'm about to publish. As you can see, the title is I built an AI content system that replaces an entire marketing team. You can go and check it out on YouTube by the time I publish this video. And this is the channel that it will output to. This is my LinkedIn profile. The last post was 3 days ago, and it is this. So we expect to see a new post from this YouTube video here. So it will take this YouTube video and output a post from it. It will go from here to here through this automated. So the moment a new YouTube video goes live, the infrastructure automatically detects the upload, and the system extracts the entire transcript automatically. So let me zoom in and show you. Now here we are in make.com, and these round things are called modules. So let me show you how it works, module by module. So the first module is YouTube. This is a watch videos in our channel. So it will watch videos in this my channel here. And then the second one is an HTTP. This one now just gets the transcript from that video. This one, Google Gemini AI module, just cleans the transcript. It removes the background music and the ahs and the oohs and the filler words. So the fourth module is also a Google Gemini AI module. This one here is our AI content brain. This is where the authority rises. Most people make a critical mistake here. They ask AI to summarize the video. That creates generic content. Instead, I engineered the AI to create multiple psychological angles. So this is what the work of this fourth module, or this second Gemini AI module. So it outputs the angles in the form of JSON, which is passed by this module, and this iterator goes over each item in that list. So this Gemini AI module inside after the iterator is used to create iterations from that initial post. So this one now creates the 5 distinct angles. So it restructures each post specifically for LinkedIn. Again, this one just restructures the rough draft into LinkedIn ready posts. So it has already optimized it. It is meant for readability, engagement, formatting, and narrative pacing. Has also been injected inside that post through this Gemini AI module. So after that, the 5 distinct angles are recorded in this Google Sheets. This is our database in this workflow. So Google Sheets will act as our database. It will store the posts. It will store every post individually in a new row. So every post, every angle is stored in a new row of our sheets. Now this is a text aggregator. This one is used to sum up to put together the posts into one text. So after we have summed up the posts, the LinkedIn posts, I will send it over to a Google Docs. So this one will house all those 5 distinct angles. It will be housed inside this Google document. So here it sends me the cumulated posts, so that I can see what content will go to my LinkedIn. In this second scenario, it reads the content that has been stored in the Google Sheets. Each post comes from a new row, so the posts are then routed into an automated distribution queue. So instead of posting randomly, every day it posts one post. One video now becomes 5 LinkedIn posts going directly to LinkedIn. Now you can also add an X or you can also add a Facebook module here if you wanted them to go to Facebook as well. But me, I'm focusing on LinkedIn. So one asset becomes a content ecosystem here. So the post goes to LinkedIn, and then after LinkedIn, so it updates the row so that a new row is gotten from the next time it runs. So this one updates the row, and then it just shows the date that the post has been published, so that in the next run of this scenario, it gets the next row after that row has been published. So now let us run the system and see it in action. Are you ready? I hope you can remember, before I run the scenario, I hope you can remember that our last post was 3 days ago. So let us see it in action. Are you ready? So in 3, 2, 1, I am going to run this scenario. So let's go. So right now, as you can see, it is running from one module to the next. So it has completed the YouTube and the transcript and getting the transcript from the HTTP, and now it's cleaning the transcript. It has already generated the drafts, and now it is at the third AI module, which is generating the angles, the 5 different angles for the LinkedIn, and at the same time it is recording to my Google Sheets. So right now it is, as you can see, it is between the iterator and the aggregator. It is still running. It is still generating those 5 angles in real time, as you can see. Yes, it has completed successfully. So once that has completed, we go to our second scenario, which ideally is set to be active. So it will run daily. But for the sake of demonstration, let me run it live so that you can see it. So right now it has read the first row inside this Google Sheets, and it has posted to LinkedIn, and it has updated that row. So I will open this Google Sheet so that you can see what is happening there. So let me go to Google. So let me even reload this LinkedIn so that we can see the post it has posted to LinkedIn. So let me reload the LinkedIn website. Before the page reloads is this. This is how the page looks like. This is my last activity, which was 3 days ago. And after, we shall see this one move here. So we shall see a new activity. So let me let that page reload as I go to my Google Sheets. So here in Google, let me go to apps. Let me wait for it to load. So let me scroll downwards. I know Google Sheets is this green one, but I want you to see as well. So let me click on Sheets. So this is how our Google Sheets look like. The content is in this column B, and the title is in this column A. And each row is across, column runs downwards. So A, B, C, D, these are columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those are rows. So each row has a title for the LinkedIn post and the post itself. So in column A we have the title, column B we have the post and the publishing date. So what is happening here is that it is reading from here, and then it is updating the publishing date. As you can see, the website has finished reloading. So let us see the post. Yes, the post was posted 3 minutes ago. So every day it reads a row from that sheets. So we set it to run daily so that it can be autonomous, so we don't have to run it live. I clicked on run once for the sake of showing you. So if we set it to run daily, it will run automatically every day. So let me set it to run daily so that we can make it autonomous. And then we click on save. Oh, the time, any time is okay. So let me just leave it like that. And I click OK. As you can see, it runs daily at 2:52 p.m. So let me leave this tab. Let me first of all save this scenario. Let me show you the Google document that it has generated as well. So as you can see, the 5 posts instead of this ugly looking Google Sheets. So let me go to my Google document. So let me go back. Let me click on this Google products and let me go to Google documents. So let me search for it here. Yes, it is this. So this is the Google document that it has generated. So let me close this Sheets tab. You will see it more clearly in the Google document more than in the Google Sheets. So this is the Google document that it has generated. The business that dominates attention in this AI era will not necessarily create content. They will extract more leverage from every content asset. So I built this AI automation system for founders, agency consultants, creators, and businesses that want scalable content leverage. If you want this exact YouTube to LinkedIn infrastructure installed into your business, comment automate below or use the link in the description to book a free AI distribution audit. Because the future belongs to businesses that multiply content instead of endlessly creating more of it. Email me and get yours today. Bye now.